Tired of trying to navigate the wild world of crypto exchanges? Maybe you've heard of Kraken, but you're wondering if it's the right choice for you. Is it a secure fortress for your digital assets or a complex beast with hidden traps? Let's dive into the pros and cons of using Kraken to help you decide. First, let's talk about the good stuff, the pros. Kraken is a veteran in the crypto space, which means it has a long-standing reputation for security. It's known for its robust safety features, including two-factor authentication, a global settings lock to prevent unauthorized changes, and regular proof of reserves audits. They take security seriously, which is a huge plus in this industry. Kraken also offers a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, with over 200 different coins available. So whether you're a Bitcoin maxi or an altcoin adventurer, you'll likely find what you're looking for. And for those who are serious about trading, Kraken Pro offers some of the most competitive fees around, especially for high-volume traders. The more you trade, the less you pay. Plus, their platform has a variety of tools for both beginners and advanced users, with a straightforward interface on the main app and a more feature-rich environment on Kraken Pro. Now, let's flip the coin and look at the cons. While the fees on Kraken Pro are great, the fees on the basic instant buy feature can be a bit higher and are sometimes less transparent, which can be a surprise for new users. Another frequent criticism you'll hear is about customer support. While they offer 24/7 live chat, some users have reported slow response times and issues with getting their problems resolved. It's a mixed bag, and while many have good experiences, it's something to be aware of. Finally, while Kraken has a wide global reach, it's not available everywhere. Some U.S. states, like Washington and New York, have limitations on what services can be used, and some features, like staking, aren't available to all customers. So it's crucial to check what's available in your specific region before you commit. Ultimately, Kraken is a strong, security-focused exchange that's great for traders who want a wide selection of assets and low fees on their pro platform. But if you're a beginner who wants a super simple fee structure and instant support for every question, you might find it has a bit of a learning curve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.